Ginger has long been celebrated not only as a flavorful spice, but also as a powerful natural remedy. In this video, we will delve deep into the healing power of ginger, exploring its myriad health benefits and how it can enhance your well-being. So grab a cup of ginger tea, sit back, and let's embark on this enlightening journey. First, let's talk about what ginger is. This root, scientifically known as Zingiber officinale, has been used for thousands of years in traditional medicine, particularly in Asia. Its distinct flavor and aroma come from a group of compounds known as gingerols, which are responsible for many of its health benefits. From boosting the immune system to aiding digestion, ginger is a true powerhouse packed with nutrients. One of the most well-known benefits of ginger is its ability to alleviate nausea. Whether it's morning sickness during pregnancy, motion sickness while traveling, or nausea caused by chemotherapy, ginger has proven to be remarkably effective. Studies have shown that consuming ginger can significantly reduce the severity of nausea and vomiting. For those who struggle with these issues, ginger tea or ginger candies can be a soothing remedy that provides relief. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Ginger also boasts anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent natural treatment for various inflammatory conditions. Chronic inflammation is linked to several diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and even cancer. Incorporating ginger into your diet may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially lowering the risk of these serious health issues. Whether you choose to add fresh ginger to your meals, sip on ginger-infused water, or take ginger supplements, you're taking a step toward a healthier lifestyle. Now let's discuss ginger's impact on digestion. If you've ever experienced an upset stomach or indigestion, you might find solace in ginger. This root stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, which can help break down food more efficiently. Additionally, ginger can help alleviate bloating and gas, making it a fantastic addition to your post-meal routine. A warm cup of ginger tea after dinner can be a comforting way to support your digestive health. Moving beyond digestion, ginger is also known for its potential to boost the immune system. Packed with antioxidants, ginger helps fight off free radicals in the body, which can contribute to illness and disease. Regularly incorporating ginger into your diet may help strengthen your immune response, making you less susceptible to colds and infections. Consider adding ginger to your smoothies, soups, or stir-fries for an extra immune-boosting kick. Another fascinating aspect of ginger is its potential to alleviate pain. Research has shown that ginger may be effective in reducing muscle pain and soreness, particularly after intense physical activity. For athletes or those who engage in regular exercise, ginger can serve as a natural alternative to over-the-counter pain relievers. Simply consuming ginger in various forms, whether as tea, in cooking, or as a supplement, may help soothe those aching muscles. Furthermore, ginger has been linked to improved cardiovascular health. Studies suggest that ginger can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce blood pressure, contributing to overall heart health. A healthy heart is vital for a long and vibrant life, and incorporating ginger into your daily routine may be a simple yet effective way to support your cardiovascular system. Consider adding ginger to your salad dressings, marinades, or even smoothies to reap these heart-healthy benefits. Let's not forget about ginger's potential role in weight management. Some research indicates that ginger may help regulate appetite and increase feelings of fullness, potentially aiding in weight loss efforts. By adding ginger to your meals or sipping on ginger tea, you might find it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Plus, the warming sensation of ginger can help rev up your metabolism, making it a valuable ally in your weight management journey. Now, you might be wondering how to incorporate more ginger into your daily routine. The good news is that ginger is incredibly versatile. You can enjoy it fresh, dried, pickled, or powdered. Fresh ginger root can be added to stir-fries, soups, and smoothies, while ginger powder can enhance baked goods, oatmeal, or even homemade spice blends. If you prefer a quick and easy option, ginger tea is a delightful way to enjoy its benefits. Simply steep fresh ginger slices in hot water, and you have a soothing drink that can be enjoyed any time of day. For those who may not enjoy the taste of ginger, supplements are also available in various forms, including capsules and extracts. However, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. As we wrap up our exploration of the healing power of ginger, it's important to remember that while ginger offers numerous health benefits, it should not replace conventional medical treatments. Always consult with your healthcare provider for any medical concerns or conditions. Ginger can be a wonderful complement to a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, but it's essential to approach health holistically. In conclusion, ginger is more than just a flavorful spice. It's a natural remedy with a wealth of health benefits. From easing nausea and improving digestion to reducing inflammation and supporting heart health, ginger has earned its place as a staple in many kitchens around the world. So, whether you're sipping on ginger tea, adding it to your favorite dishes, or taking it as a supplement, remember that this humble root can have a profound impact on your overall well-being. Embrace the healing power of ginger and let it work its magic in your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the health benefits of ginger. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own ginger experiences in the comments below.